That's a very topical question at the moment. So at the moment we have LTE, which is kilometre kind of range, and we have LTE Advanced, which is improving that. Some of the carriers are advertising 4 times the performance in buildings and whatever. They all require backhaul. As you go towards 5G and millimetre wave, you're talking about bringing the cell sizes much smaller, getting higher bit rates, but your penalties at your cell sites are getting much smaller. The importance of backhaul is huge then. So you're actually getting into 5G space almost correlation with the range of Wi-Fi in many cases. So from that perspective, backhaul and the ability to own wired networks will be important for anybody that rolls out 5G. So probably consolidation between the wired and wireless carriers to affect the 5G network. In the case of Wi-Fi itself and LTE, there's initiatives like the LTE-U unlicensed solution, which is proposed to use the 5 gigahertz spectrum for the unlicensed 5 gigahertz spectrum for LTE support as well. In Europe, that's going through the 3GPP standard and the IEEE to make sure that harmonizes with Wi-Fi, and that's the licensed assisted access technology, or LAA. In the US, we have a slightly more different problem in that because the US Wi-Fi solution or unlicensed spectrum doesn't require that you listen before talk, a solution that goes in there and also uses the 5 gigahertz spectrum may be detrimental to Wi-Fi. So there's a little bit still to do on LTE unlicensed to make it work in Wi-Fi, and it needs to work properly with Wi-Fi and can't be detrimental because of the huge investment we've had in Wi-Fi. But there is going to be coexistence, there is convergence coming. People really want to be able to connect, as you said, anywhere, anytime, including knowing that they're paying for it now versus not paying for it. And as you said, if the price drops as well, the usage habits will change as well. But we think there's opportunity for Wi-Fi to prosper and grow, which it will. 802.11ax is on the horizon as up to 4 times faster almost than the current AC solutions. And also then the convergence with something like LTE-U is a possibility in the next couple of years.